Born ka ba in the year of the rabbit? Para sa rabbit, ang 2026 ay parang pagtakbo sa isang garden na biglang naging racetrack. Mabilis, maingay, at minsan overwhelming. Ang fire horse energy ay bold at impulsive, samantalang ikaw ay gentle, strategic, at intuitive. Kaya ang theme mo this year, adapt without losing your softness. Maraming biglaang changes sa work, sa plans, sa relationships. Hindi ito taon ng slow manifestation. Dapat smart navigation. Kapag natutong sumabay sa agos ng hindi nagpapanik, lalabas ang hidden luck mo. What to watch out for? Emotional burnout dahil sa too many obligations. People-pleasing na nauuwi sa self-neglect. Rushing decisions dahil sa pressure galing sa ibang tao. Career and money. Auspicious sa mga career na may kinalaman sa teaching, writing, design, healing, marketing, consulting, spiritual content. Hindi ito taon para mag-job hopping. Bigla ang resignation pwede maging messy. Maswerte ka sa side projects. Kung may business ka, focus pag-build ng branding and reputation, hindi sa mabilis na profit. Love and relationships. Kung single, high chance makakilala through work or spiritual circles. Hindi ito love at first sight year, kundi trust at first feel. Possible ang age gap or someone galing sa different culture background. Rabbits na may partner na. Relationships will be tested by communication issues and unspoken expectations. Health and energy, vulnerable ang nervous system. And kailangan na alagaan mo ang iyong spiritual life. Sensitive areas, sleep, digestion, headaches, burnout dulot ng emotional labor, overthinking leading to physical fatigue. Prioritize sleep and healthy habits. Mahalaga sa iyo ang getting in touch sa nature, plants, sunlight, fresh air. Lucky elements for rabbit in 2026, lucky colors, mint green, pearl white, gold, lucky directions, east, southeast. Lucky months, March, June, October. Unlucky months, February, August. O mga rabbit friends? Kung gusto mo ng mas kumpleto, mas personalized reading para makahango ng success at happy life in 2026, magpa-reading na sa pinaka-pinagkakatiwalaang Feng Shui expert in the Philippines. Me, Master Hans Kua. DM this page para magpa-schedule.